This video I'm going to be explaining technical analysis. It's basically how to read all this mess and read these charts. It's easier than you think. First of all, you're going to need TradingView. Just go to tradingview.com or download the TradingView app. It's free. Just get the free version because you can use 3 indicators on that for free. And I'm going to introduce you to some of the indicators I like to use. There are lots of indicators you can use. There's a whole bunch of them here and in the indicator list, but I'm going to introduce you to Fibonacci Retracement, MACD, RSI, and that's pretty much it. We might jump into Bollinger Bands too, but I'm going to explain to you what all this is. So first off, this is your green candles and red candles for Bitcoin on the daily. So the thing is, the longer the time frame, the more valid the trade. So let's just go. We'll just say we want to go to the 1 hour chart. You know, it's just, what did it do here? Just smaller time frame, you know. But I like to use the daily. A lot of people that invest use the daily. But if you're a day trader, you play with maybe the 4 hour or the 1 hour. But I'm a terrible day trader. So the best thing to do, I'm going to get into it right here when it talks about the news about Bitcoin. And I'm going to get into that and how you can buy the bad news and sell the positive news. So recently, or let's just go back to 2020. What date was this? This is the March 2021 is when Tesla now accepts Bitcoin for payment of cars. So we'll just go back to the weekly chart. Make it look back a little bit. All right, we're just going to go back to, what was that? March 2021. March 24th. So that's probably the height of the market. March 24th, 2021 is right here. And then a few weeks later, he's like, oh, we're selling Bitcoin. So that's usually the bottom. Oh, Tesla's not, but there was right here, you would have sold at 61,000. Then if they said they're not accepting Bitcoin, it went to 30,000. So sell the positive news, guys. And if we just go back to recent times here, Germany sells Bitcoin. They just recently finished selling all their Bitcoin on July 12th. It was millions of dollars in Bitcoin, so that was bad news. July 12th was the last day, so they were selling all through here. Oh man, so you see that red candle, it was 53,000, and now they're done selling, so it's up to 67,000. So you just want to buy the fear, guys. People think it's going to crash to the ground. You buy their fear, and that's how you make some money in this stuff. And also, let me show you, let's go back to the daily chart here. We're just going to go back to the daily. All right. And you can go here, and it says reset price scale, and it gives you the better looking chart here. So this is the MACD. This is your MACD line right here, and this is your MACD line is the blue one, and the other one is your signal line. So this move up, see how it's going underneath the orange line? That's bullish. And if it goes over the orange line, it's bearish. So it's usually followed by bearish price action. And it's a whole bunch of math equations that in chart history it does it by itself. It's just, that's what this indicator is. It takes a lot of things into account. So look at this MACD cross right at 56,000. Right at 56,000, and now we're just heading up. And I just find that interesting. And then you can look at this is the RSI. So what I like to do is anytime it's above 70 or below 30, you enter a trade. You really don't want to start buying when it's in the middle here. You don't want to buy too much there. You just want to wait till there's fear, and usually there's negative news at the bottom, and that tends to be bullish, and then positive news at the top, which tends to be bearish because it's a liquidity hunt. So let's just say, for example, you know, this is July 12th was the Mt. Gox thing. Look at this RSI. That's when they started selling. They were selling for like a week before that. So that was right at 30, and then you would have been up. So if you had bought the bad news. We're just going to jump to Ripple now. Let's just check out XRP. I want to show you how it works with other cryptos too. All right, XRP is a big one. They got sued in December 21st, 2020, right? So we just go back to December 21st, 2020. Oops. Let's go back to the weekly. All right. Okay, this is December 21st, 2020. And this is right when the lawsuit dropped, December 21st. It was 24 cents, guys. It went all the way down to 18 cents, to around 17 cents. So if you had bought that fear, 17 cents, and then this is the mega bull run, it just started running up. It went to $1.96, guys. And that's when, oh, by the way, this is the top here. And look at your RSI. Again, the RSI didn't quite hit 30 on the weekly, but if we go back to the daily, I'm pretty sure it hit 30 on the daily. Let's go back in time here. We'll just click this little thingy here, and then we're going to place a reset price scale. Let's just keep going back all the way to 2020. Takes a little while, but we're going to get back to history. Just dragging around. Okay, I want to show you this news that happened back then and how it correlates to the price exactly, and these indicators that you're going to use. So December 21st, 2020 was the day they got sued. All right, so we're here. Okay, December 21st, 2020 was the day they got sued. And it went all the way down. Look at this RSI, hit perfectly in December 21st. What I'm talking about, it hit below 30 right there. So if you had entered your RSI below 30, you'd be swimming in the money right now. And also, right here, there's a bullish MACD cross happening on the daily on January 2021. And there's another bearish MACD. See how it goes down? It follows the price action. It falls down. And that was your 30 opportunity. That was the best opportunity right there, December 23rd to get in. And then they wanted, when the price went to $1.96, was May the 4th, 2021. So let's just go back to May the 4th, 2021, when they hired Rosie Rios from the Treasury. You would have sold about $1.60. It's hard to call the exact top, guys, but look at this MACD cross coming down. It's just coming down. So that's a solid sell the news, buy the rumor, sell the news, buy the fear, sell the news. And then we can just go here and press this little thing and it goes to the most recent. And then we go here to reset the chart, reset the price scale. And okay, next I'm going to show you a little Fibonacci retracement. You're going to go to this little guy over here. And it's always swing high to swing low. Right there. We can drag it down. I'll show you how it kind of fights these fibs. Oops. Let's line it up. There we go. All right, it's just a phenomenon that happens in nature. Fibonacci's all around us, and you can see here how it was trying to break down. When it was 64 cents, and then it finally broke to this level. Then it gets rejected. It wicks down here, and then it goes back up, and then it fights through here, and then it's fighting this fib level here, the 236. It goes up, and you can draw them anyways here, but it's interesting. It's just if you want to enter a trade, swing high, swing low. Oops. All right. You can see here how it's trying to break these levels here. See how it goes right there at the 382, then it breaks north, it keeps going north. So we're at the 1 right now on the recent fib here. You can draw these anywhere, swing high to swing low. And usually the max fib level would be the 234.236, which gives us the $1.40. It gives you an idea. This is basically like the roof and the floor. So when it breaks through the roof, it keeps tapping its head. It's going to go north and go to the next level and go to the next level. So it should, right here between this price, between 63 cents, it can reach 78 cents real quick, guys. That's just how the price just tends to move. And find that interesting. And we're just going to take this off right now. Take off the RSI. Take off that. I want to show you this next indicator. Let me remove these real quick. Right, you can right click and remove these indicators. Remove. You can go here. I thought this was cool. If you want to day trade, is the EMA scalper, Tony UX EMA scalper buy sell. So you can click that, and it uses the moving averages. So the moving averages are basically magnets. Like the price is tended to draw towards these averages. So it gave you a buy indicator right here for XRP at 42 cents. Sell, buy, sell. I don't personally use these. I don't day trade. But if it's something you want to do, more power to you. These are all 80% accurate, these things. So there's always that 20% chance it could crash or go against your trade, and it's just not worth the risk for me personally. But it's good to know. I thought this would be fun to share, and we're gonna remove that one. And there's one more here. We'll just get into Bollinger bands. Basically this is a rubber band, and when it gets tight, there's heavy price action. As you can see right here, they started getting tight. See, when it's big like this, there's not much price action. It went flat. But look, see how they get real tight right here? Look what happened. It just broke north. So when they get tight, there's usually a big move. There's a tight right there, big move north. Or it can be a big move south. Here's another example right here. They get tight right here, these two bands, and it's just broke north. Just another indicator that will show the price action when the Bollinger bands get tight. And this is pretty much it, guys. I just wanted to give you this information about some of these indicators that I use personally and I find interesting, just to give you an idea of how to read the charts. All right, thank you guys. Take care.